Good day mga kahumis, baka ito na ang bahay na hinahanap mo. Check out this modern 3-story house sa West Fairview, Quezon City for only 8.3 million. Sa ground floor, andito ang living area, dining, kitchen, may powder room pa, and laundry space perfect for everyday family life. Next naman sa second floor, may 2 bedroom, may kanya-kanyang bathroom at ready na ang lagayan for window type aircon. Sulit, di ba? Yung mga bathroom natin, floor to wall tiles finish. Yan. Ito yung bedroom 1 natin. This one is the bedroom number 2. Sarili siyang toilet and bath. So next naman, we're heading sa third floor. Sa third floor, meron tayong another 2 bedroom with shared toilet and bath. At may balcony ka. Sakto for your morning coffee and chill nights. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng bahay sa Quezon City, baka ito na yon. So send us a message to schedule a viewing and don't forget to like, follow, and share para updated ka sa mga bagong listings. Yun lang mga kahumis. Thank you. See you next vlog.